So today I'm replacing a screen in a Dell Latitude 5591. I ordered the screen off of Amazon. Can't remember how much it was. It is not a touch screen. Okay, so you have to pop the bezel off of the screen, which I find is easiest to do with a guitar pick. You just have to find the right, one that's a good thickness and that's sturdy enough to hold up to moving it around a lot. As you can see, I've cracked this one, but it's still my favorite, so I still use it. And then I'm just kind of working the screen off. It's got some kind of adhesive on it too, but it's not too terribly strong. You always want to be pretty gentle with laptop bezels. They can definitely break. So yeah, there's definitely some kind of adhesive on here. I'm probably just going to leave this alone. I do have some kind of sticky double-sided adhesive I could put back on there. I don't know if I will or not. We'll just have to see. Okay, so this screen is mounted in with screws, which is nice. Some of the newer screens have like these really strong adhesive strips behind them, and you have to kind of dig behind them and grab a tab and you pull up and you just hope it doesn't break. But anyway, this is not that. This is a one that's screwed in, so it makes it fairly easy. I honestly probably should have taken the battery out first, but I didn't. And these screws are the same size, so I don't have to worry about getting them confused. Gently lay it down. Sorry, it's bubble wrap. Okay, so I'm gonna peel up this tape right here. There's some more, another layer. Tape holding the cable in. And anytime you're working on any laptop stuff, you just have to be patient. And this little blue thing, I've never seen one of those on there before, but we'll keep it and reuse it. Okay, so this has a little latch here. You flip it up and pull back. That disconnects the screen. Oh, the adhesive on it kind of stuck to the keyboard. Okay. So we've got our new screen here. And I always like to wait till I get it connected and screwed back in before I test it, and then if it works I'll pull off the film on the front just in case. I have had screens I've had to send back before, so reconnect the cable, make sure that it's latched. Oh, it's not all the way. There we go. reconnect it, latch it back down, put both sets of tape back down. Oh, that one broke off. We'll just kind of put it back. There we go. Oh, I forgot to put this blue piece back. Oh well, I know it's fine. It's not the end of the world. I've never even seen one of those on a laptop before. Okay. So I'm not going to screw it back in yet. I'm just going to turn it on. Oh, looking good so far. The crack on the other screen was down here in the bottom right. I think they had a sticky pad stuff right here, and you know, whatever, like Post-it notes, and it got closed on that and cracked the screen. Perfect. Okay, so it looks good. I'm going to screw it back in, and then I'll pull off the film. I need to get another magnetic screwdriver. This one doesn't really, it's not magnetized anymore, but it is my favorite, so I need to replace it. Isn't it funny how when you work on computers a lot, you have like your favorite tools? Like this one's my favorite screwdriver, my favorite pick. Just the ones I like to work with. But, oh, I guess it's a little bit magnetized. I guess that screw's not very heavy. Okay, so pull the film off. The most satisfying part of a screen replacement. Wonderful. And I'm going to work my way from the top down on this one. I'm not, you know, you're not putting crazy pressure, because if it's not lined up right, you don't want to break the tabs on the bezel. You've got to kind of push from behind here for the bottom part. And yeah, that's it. It's not super complicated.